In a sunny meadow, where daisies bloomed and butterflies fluttered, there was a tiny beehive. This wasn't just any beehive, it was home to a family of little bees. Little bee 1, little bee 2, and little bee 3 were the names of the siblings who lived inside. They were always busy, working together to make their home a happy place. Every morning, they would wake up with the sun, stretching their tiny wings and buzzing with excitement. They would start their day by cleaning their home, making sure it was spotless and ready for a new day. Little bee 1 was the eldest and she was in charge of the kitchen. She would gather nectar from the flowers and prepare breakfast for the family. The sweet smell of honey would fill the air, making everyone feel warm and cozy. Little bee 2 was the second eldest and she was in charge of the nursery. She would take care of the little baby bees, helping them learn how to fly and gather nectar. She was always patient and kind, teaching them with love. Little bee 3 was the youngest and he was in charge of the library. He loved to read books about the world outside and he would share his knowledge with his siblings. He was always eager to learn new things and he taught his brothers and sisters everything he knew. At night, they would gather around the fireplace and tell stories. They would talk about their adventures, their dreams, and their hopes for the future. They would listen to little bee 3 read stories from the library, their eyes wide with wonder. One night, little bee 3 read a story about a far-off land where the sun shone all year round. The little bees were amazed and they all agreed that they wanted to visit someday. The next morning, they woke up early and set off on their journey. They flew for days and nights, through mountains and forests, until they reached the land of eternal sunshine. They were amazed by the beauty of the place, with flowers blooming all year round and a warm breeze that never stopped. They explored the land, meeting other bees and learning about their ways of life. But after a while, they missed their cozy home in the meadow. They missed the sweet smell of honey, the warmth of the fireplace, and the stories told by little bee 3. So, they packed their bags and flew back home, feeling grateful for the adventure but also grateful for their little home in the meadow. They realized that home wasn't just a place, it was love, family, and memories. And from that day on, they appreciated their home even more. They worked harder, played together, and loved each other more than ever before. And every night, they would gather around the fireplace, listening to little bee 3 read stories, feeling warm and cozy in their little beehive.